Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll show you the highlights of the incredible Van Life festival that took place last weekend in Shrewsbury. The Van Life festival is an experience like no other, and this year it was even bigger and better than last year. When you fly over the field you can really appreciate the scale of the event. Let us know in the comments if you can spot your van. The festival was very well organised, with different sections with various camping pitches, trade and market area, entertainment, theme park and many others. Van Life Festival is an incredible celebration of the nomadic lifestyle and everything that comes with it. The atmosphere was just fantastic. There was a real sense of community. Everyone was friendly and willing to share their experiences. We met some incredible people who, just like us, loved the adventure, exploration and the freedom of the open road. We highly recommend this festival to anyone who loves the van life or is considering taking up life on the road. The festival was packed with activities for all ages, including a kids theme park, workshops and live music. In addition to this, there were countless stalls with food, gadgets and crafts. The display vehicle area was a real highlight. We were fortunate enough to be invited to showcase our van once again, among other campers and caravans of different shapes, sizes and styles. It was incredible to see how creative people had been with their space, and it was inspiring to speak to so many like-minded people. It was truly inspiring to see how much people can achieve within the limitations of a mobile home. The festival was a real success. Thank you to everyone who came to see us and share their amazing stories and experiences with us. Meeting some of our subscribers and followers was truly the highlight of our trip, so thank you guys. We left the festival feeling inspired, refreshed and excited to continue our own van life journey. We look forward to seeing you all again next year at the Van Life Festival.